Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a basic spinner using CSS, so let's get into it. So here's our markup, it's just a simple div, and here is our CSS, fairly, like not that much, and here is our little spinner. So as you can see here, it's just going to rotate, and this is all the styling that we need to achieve this effect. So basically what we're doing here is that we're setting a border, and it's just going to be a black border with a very high opacity, so you get that nice faded effect. You see that the gold part of the spinner is circulating around. And then we set the border left to the color of gold. And then we have a border radius, so we get of 50%, so we get that nice circular shape for our borders. And then just a width and a height, and then we have this little animation here. So basically what we're saying here is that, all right, or I don't know, let's actually look at the CSS file. It might be making more sense. So we declared our keyframes here, and we name our animation spin. And what we're saying here is that when we start at 0%, like from our starting position, we want the rotation of the element to be 0 degrees, and we want to move all the way to 100%. In other words, once the animation is completed, we want to rotate that element 360 degrees. And then we simply do run our animation. So we run the spin animation over a duration of 1 second, and we want to do it in a linear fashion. In other words, we just want to move from the starting position all the way to the end position. And we want to do that an infinite amount of times. So our iteration count is going to be infinite. So if I now hover this element, it should illustrate what's happening. As you can see here, the element just keeps on spinning and spinning and spinning. And if I stop this animation, yeah, that's all the magic there is to it. And I think that this is a fairly simple and beginner-friendly way of creating a spinner just using CSS. And I hope you found this useful. Have a great day.